Welcome to AQ Finance, your go-to channel for all things crypto. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support our channel and stay updated with our latest videos. We love hearing from our viewers, so feel free to leave your suggestions and questions in the comments below. Now, let's dive into today's topic, dollar cost averaging in cryptocurrencies. Overview of DCA. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a simple yet powerful investment strategy used by many savvy investors, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies. It involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular asset, regardless of its price fluctuations over time. How DCA works. Here's how it works. Instead of trying to time the market and buy cryptocurrencies at the perfect moment, DCA allows you to spread out your purchases over time. This helps reduce the impact of short-term price volatility and can potentially lower your average purchase price over the long run. Benefits of DCA. The beauty of DCA is its simplicity and effectiveness. By consistently investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, you can benefit from market fluctuations without the stress of trying to predict them. DCA also encourages disciplined investing and removes emotions from the decision-making process. Implementing DCA in crypto. Now, let's talk about how to implement DCA in the world of cryptocurrencies. It's as easy as setting up a recurring buy order on your favorite exchange. Simply choose the amount you want to invest and how frequently you want to make purchases, and let the exchange handle the rest. Tips for successful DCA. Here are some tips to make the most out of your DCAST or ATAGY1. Stay consistent with your investments, regardless of market fluctuations. 2. Consider automating your purchases to remove any emotional biases. 3. Review and adjust your strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Dollar cost averaging DCA is a smart way to invest in cryptocurrencies that involves buying a fixed amount of a cryptocurrency regularly, no matter what its price is at the time. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin using DCA. You decide to invest $100 in Bitcoin every week. First, you set up a plan to automatically buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every Monday. If the price of Bitcoin is high, you'll buy a little bit less. If it's low, you'll buy a little bit more. This way, you're not trying to time the market. You're just sticking to your plan no matter what. Now, let's say Bitcoin's price goes down 1 week. Since you're buying regularly, you end up buying more Bitcoin when the price is low. This helps lower the average price of all the Bitcoin you've bought so far. But what if the price keeps going down? With DCA, you have options. You could decide to keep buying the same amount each week, trusting that the market will eventually go back up. Or you could choose to buy even more Bitcoin if the price drops below a certain point. This is called buying the dip. For example, if Bitcoin's price drops by 20% from its previous high, you might decide to double your weekly investment to $200 until the price goes back up. This way, you're taking advantage of the lower prices to increase your holdings and potentially make more profit when the market recovers. Advanced dollar cost averaging DCA is like supercharging your regular DCA strategy. Instead of just buying a fixed amount of cryptocurrency regularly, you get a bit fancier with how you do it. Let's say you're using DCA to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every week. Asterisk with advanced DCA, you can do more than just stick to your weekly plan. If the price of Bitcoin drops a lot, you might decide to buy even more than your usual $100. This is called buying the dip. It's like getting a discount on your Bitcoin because the price is lower. But what if the price keeps dropping? With advanced DCA, you have more tricks up your sleeve. You could decide to buy even more Bitcoin if the price drops by a certain amount, like 20% from its previous high. This way, you're getting even more Bitcoin for your money when prices are low. And what if the price goes back up? You can still stick to your regular plan or adjust your strategy based on what the market is doing. The key is to stay flexible and disciplined, so you can make the most of your investments over time. Advanced DCA is all about being smart and adaptable with your investing. It's like having a secret weapon that helps you buy more when prices are low and stay strong when the market gets rocky. With a little practice and patience, it can help you build a stronger and more profitable cryptocurrency portfolio. DCA gives you flexibility and helps you stay disciplined in your investment strategy, even when the market is unpredictable. It's a simple yet powerful way to build wealth over time with cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing!